on, everyone? Got a 2021 Volkswagen Atlas. We're going to reset the oil life and the inspection message on this Atlas. There are a couple different cluster options with your Atlas that you can have. If yours looks like this one, this is how you do this one, okay? You're going to use your steering wheel buttons right here. You need to scroll over, okay, until you get to driving data. That's what we're looking for, okay? So like here it says assist systems, driving data. Now if you press down, it goes through the menus and you need to be on range. Press OK. Okay. Now once you're on range here, you're going to press and hold down OK for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let go. And I'll bring up this menu here and we're going to reset the oil service. Okay, and ask you want to do it. Hit OK again. All right. And you're going to wait a minute and it's going to go back to the menu. And then here's the inspection. Hit OK, and it was reset. And that's pretty much it. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. Hit that like button for me. Leave me a comment if you could, and I hope to see you again in another video.